Welcome back to my channel. It's Wit Kit here, back with another makeup tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how I created this simple, easy, quick, soft glam look on my client. Yes, she's giving the looks. So as you guys know, I always go in with Sea Breeze toner to clean her face, and then I go in with my Morphe pencil in Java, and I'm just filling in her brows very lightly, and I'm just creating this I'm mimicking like the front of her brows, so I'm creating like those hairs in the front, and that's what I'm doing right now. I told you I was coming with the videos, so here I am. So today, this is my client. She's been here before. I just never had the chance to record her, and she told me today was her birthday, so I was like, I gotta record you, girl. So here I am concealing her brows with Warm Almond from Milani. I love these concealers. Like, I love them. Like, I love these concealers. But I'm about to move on to Born This Way. Low key, even though I love these concealers, but I kind of want to use Born This Way. But not to say that I'm going to stop using Milani. It's just that I'm kind of like testing things out, and I want to test like different concealers, because I used to stick to LA Pro. Like, I'm talking about stick. Like, that was my go-to for everybody. But now I'm trying to branch out and have different types of concealers that I like. So next it'll be Born This Way, since I'm already using it now, but I want to use it to conceal the brows. But yes, I love Milani concealers, but it's time to move on and try new things. But here I am just concealing her brows and dragging the concealer down. And I'm also going to try different foundations, because I was at first using Fit Me, and now I want to try Lancome, and what is it? I think it's Lancome. It's a different, it's another foundation too, but Lancome and something else. I forgot what it, oh no, I don't want to try that. Yeah, it's Lancome. So I want to try Lancome next, and then after that, Material Girl. I'm just playing. But here I am. I applied Plouise base in 0, and I'm just tapping that into her crease so that I'm able to get like so that I'm able to see the eyeshadow that I'm applying right now. So right now I'm using this brown shadow. It's very soft and like very natural. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it. But it's really pretty. Like, I really like it, how seamless it looks. But it's like there. But it's so pretty. So now I'm going in with the base again, and I'm just going to be blending that out. Okay, so I got it mixed up. I think I went in with Plouise base in number 3, and then I went in with 0 to create that base on her eyelid. So now I'm just tapping that base on her lid up into her crease. Now I'm using this fluffy brush, and I went in the Crayon case, and I used the shadow white. And it's like a white shimmer shadow. It's so pretty. I really love it. So I went in that palette, and I used this fluffy brush, and I'm just tapping that on top of that base that I created. Now I'm going in with Wet and Wild black liner, and I'm creating a liner for her just to apply her lashes. I didn't want to create like a whole full-blown liner, because I didn't know if she was gonna get in the water. And you know how like sometimes they get runny. You know, if anything around your eyes get wet, it gets runny and starts dragging down. So I was being cautious because I was just like, I don't know if she's gonna get in the water, if she's not gonna get in the water, but we're not gonna do too much to the point where like if her eyes happens to get wet, she gets that little runny like black stuff going down her face. But here I am applying some lashes, and you guys will not believe it, but I ordered these lashes from Shein, and I thought they were so cute, which they are cute. I ordered a different type too, but these were my favorite. But honestly, would I order these again? Probably not. Yeah, I probably wouldn't order these again, but they were cute. I think this is something that I would probably use on myself, but I don't know. I wouldn't order them again, but it was cute, you guys. It's like a love and hate thing. So if you want to know where I got them, I can definitely tell you guys where I got them and what's the name of the lashes. But I wouldn't order these again, but there's nothing wrong with it. It's cute. It's just that I don't really like it. So now I'm applying New Caledonia at the top, and then I'm applying Nambia at the bottom. So I don't know, this is something that I just do. I like to mix, see what works, and I've done this every time she's come to me. So now I'm taking my flat Instapop brush, and I'm just blending out the foundation, and I'm just tapping that into her skin. Yes, it's giving skin. And her hair is so cute. And she told me she was going on the boat. That's what I meant to tell you guys. She was going on the boat. So that's why I was just like, I don't know if she was going to get in the water. So that's why I didn't go in, and do my due deals. But here I am just tapping it still into her skin. I just like to work really slow and in one space, one spot. Now here I am going back in with Warm Almond and Milani, and I'm just applying that on her nose, underneath her eyes, her chin, above her lip. Same old. I'm running out, so I need to go buy some more because, you guys, like, this is my favorite concealer. Plus, I just like the way it looks. I love it. So I skipped the part where I blended out the concealer, but you guys get the point. I have plenty of other videos where I am blending out the concealer. So I went in with setting powder afterwards in AC Cosmetics in butternut beige, and then now I went in with black opal and ebony, and I applied that to contour her nose. And then here I am going back in with butternut beige and AC Cosmetics setting powder to get like a real sharp line on her nose to make sure her nose is like contoured to the T. So here I am going in with a regular black pencil, and I am just applying that in her waterlines. I really need to go get some gel liner, but it's so far away and I don't want to order it because it takes time. But now I'm going in with Black Radiance contour palette, and this is medium to dark, and I'm just applying that on top of the black opal contour stick that I applied. And I'm using that contour palette from Black Radiance to set that. And then here I am going back in with AC Cosmetics butternut beige setting powder, and I am just carving out her contour and creating that sharp contoured look. with a damped beauty blender. Now I'm going in with Trendsetter from Morphe, and I am lining up her lips, but I ended up going back in with another pencil. I don't believe I showed it on this clip in this video, but I went back in afterwards with a darker lip pencil to really, define the lip. And here I am going in with MAC Studio Fix face powder, and I'm just applying that into the skin and dusting away all the setting powder that I had on her face. Yes, she looks so good. So, like I said, I went in with a dark brown pencil to line up her lip. And then now here I am going in with some concealer, and I'm just applying that on her lip. And I also mix it with another liquid lipstick that's a nude shade. And I added some gloss, and this is the final look, you guys. Of course, I went in with some blush and highlight and setting spray. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.